in this profession, that is the salary, there is choices upon that. And I look down, I was like,
Food.
my goal was just to finish
We're
my
here at
studies,
McDonald's.
the board exam,
Nag-ano mi
and
ron.
work.
Ganyan.
But
Ang
through the
nanginaw og
years,
seminar
I
live
was
siya.
able to appreciate what I am doing and realize that pharmacy is really a noble profession. Pharmacists are very vital in improving the health outcomes of every citizen.
Hala.
There are different areas of practice in the pharmacy profession,
Kutsap,
but
kutsap.
with one ultimate goal, and that is to provide safe, quality, and effective medicine to everyone. So, if you would like to be a pharmacist, you can either work in the community
Yan.
pharmacy,
Hala.
in the hospital pharmacy, in research and development, in pharmaceutical packaging technology, drug regulatory affairs, quality assurance and control, formulation and development, production and manufacturing, in academics, in
Busog kayo ko?
marketing,
Kuyawan
government
kumukuhan
law,
kayo. High blood na
regulatory bodies, chemist shop, entrepreneurship, and a lot of other opportunities.
Isda. Wala pa na isda.
Now, with all these career choices,
Yummy.
the question
Cheeseburger.
is, which from these choices do we see ourselves tried in the future?
Mama,
We have to understand that each person is unique, and there will always be store of opportunity. And we have to know which door will lead us. Planning our career is very important. So after I graduated and passed the board exam, I tried applying in the pharmaceutical industry. So personally, I thought it's the right choice for me. And finally, not long after, I was hired by a small pharma company, having less than 20 products.
Saka kung drink.
I was assigned with a lot of responsibilities, such as product sourcing, regulatory, inventory, training your medical
Hala.
assistants.
Makuha ng video.
During those times, I learned a lot, and I took those responsibilities as an area for growth.
Stand. Wala nang
And
straw sa
eventually,
McDonald's.
I transferred to
Wala
a bigger
nang
company,
straw.
and I was
Okay,
able to
for
make
the
use of that
environment.
experience for me to be able to get the job. I was assigned as marketing division pharmacist who is in charge of regulatory, packaging materials development, development, marketing support, and operation support for regulatory requirements of the hospital, of our hospital clients. So this role enabled me to work with different pharmacists in our company whom I consider real life heroes, especially during this time of pandemic. So let me walk you through the various departments wherein the expertise of pharmacists are highly needed. So most of the time, when we think about the pharma industry, we limit it to manufacturing, quality control, but there are more opportunities to explore. We have research and development, supply chain management, there are pharmacists and medical affairs, regulatory, sales and marketing, and even HR, training and development, just like the department I'm currently working for.
Lamig kayo.
So if you would like
Pagtawad na nawa ang
to
McDo.
work as a pharmacist in R&D or research and development,
Burger daw
so
favorite.
what are their goals? So they perform
Kaning namin pickles.
trials for any of the new products or the product under the development or responsibility inside or outside the plant according to the predetermined procedures and after having the necessary.
Para first year mo yun eh.
So pharmacists can work in R&D
Mga
and they are
konwa, nag-grade
responsible
12.
for new product development. And that also includes medicines for COVID-19.
Char.
And even during the time of the pandemic, they might be working from home, but still they're continuously doing their job. Another department wherein a pharmacist can work is the regulatory affairs. So this department deals with the application, and ongoing paperwork surrounding regulations that have to be done before or when the medicine is sold to the public. So before a pharmaceutical product becomes available in the market, it has to be approved by the Food and Drug Administration. And the Regulatory Affairs Department is responsible for the registration of pharmaceutical products and compliance to other regulatory agencies. What's more challenging during this time of pandemic is that new guidelines are being released and pharmacists must always be
Wala yung extra
updated
hospital.
and ensure compliance to the latest regulatory guidelines, policies, and advice. The need to secure the licenses online is really needed, and it will lead to the legitimacy of our product in the market and eventually availability of the product for public consumption. So during this time, it's online. Everything is online. So the regulatory pharmacists can travel with the FDA online, and there is just a time prescribed for them, like they need to have to submit hard copies of stock to the Food and Drug Administration. Okay, another department where a pharmacist can work in is at the Medical Affairs Department. So, Medical Affairs Department is responsible in developing company coordinatorship and risk management plan for company products. So, ano ba yung company coordinatorship? So, these are product information that is written on the product picture. And they also prepare risk management plans, which is a document required by the Food and Drug Administration to ensure product safety. And because of the pandemic, some are working from home, and then they have to maximize available resources of information through the use of their in-house databases and external sources online in carrying out their tasks. Another role of medical affairs is to ensure the implementation of pharmacovigilance. So, when we say pharmacovigilance, so it is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects. We make sure that the timeline investigating adverse effects report and investigation remains the same by keeping lives of commitment. And they also respond to product failure, especially during this time of pandemic.
Activity siya, promotion siya na activity.
And so another
Siguro gatong kuhan gatong scan mo ba?
in the production. So,
Kanang gidakop sila ya, ara na lang lawyer. Lawyer na siya, mga lawyer na gidakop pero yung pasasan. Are you sure you're going to arrest me, officer?
They control production process and production and ensure that manufacturing are in compliance with the requirements of manufacturing practices and all standard yields along production.
Ano na, kanang, what's your basis or what are your grounds for
Have
arresting
to
me?
have this certificate.
Oh, are you sure you're gonna be okay? You're gonna be arresting me? Ano ba yan?
And pharmacists
Ikaw na rin sila,
in ensuring that
ikasuhan sila,
all
i-dismiss ang ilang cases.
are met. So, for manufacturing, coping with the pandemic is extremely
Yun ang
challenging.
ang ibang pulis sa Amerika rin.
As a drug manufacturer, could not afford to stop production of medicines, especially at the most crucial time when people need it. So despite the challenges, pharmacists in the manufacturing must ensure that all SOPs are being followed as there are no shortcuts and compliance to the good manufacturing practices.
Usually to if
There are
you're
also pharmacists
someone
working
with
in quality
skin color,
control
anong
and quality
people of color, kaya
QA
discriminate
is
ka.
process oriented and focuses on removing any variation from the processes of manufacturing. Quality assurance is preventative in nature and make sure that things are done right first time. quality control is product-oriented and
Nagpaano ba siya? Nagilamilam ra. Nagilamilam ra yung pag-ice cream. Nagpaano ko lang rice. Kulang ang rice. Lahat makuha kayo lagi. Kulit butang tayo. Oh ba? Makilot na lang gamay ang chocolate. Kabatsi. Lagi eh. Kuhan madaghan. Kuhan floor ba? Sira yan.
UA and QC ensure that every family product produced
Oh, pambayo.
is the required standard
Dagan dito kay ingon man nimo. Kalihod ko gigan na.
life years.
Wala na.
They must still go the job and be sure
Wala lang nilang chocolate. Oh my
so
god.
that they'll have the basic supply of their needs.
Ulit makto. Nainot.
Another area of practice is lighting management. It manages the flow of food.
Gamay na lang kailang chocolate sa ice cream. Oh my god. Sorry guys.
Raw materials into final product.
Ang inis.
So during the pandemic, pharmacists and supply chain
Isa na lang po. Daklon ko. Hindi ka naman good. Huwag pa rin yung ka. Nagbuong mo? Nagbuong.
And it gives the
Huwag pa rin mo. Ang mutal ko na.
which the image currently
Ang pinartis ka. Oh my god. Ay, hindi
We
yan
have
na.
to contribute to the topic to make the supply chain as well. Kaya,
Pabihon lang lang. Nasuwang. Nagpusat.
and that's my
Ang mindset. Ito na. Pabihon na. Nasuwang lang.
We also have pharmacists in warehouse and distribution. So they work in film, calculate, their study,
Kaya sa akong
and
resibo
they
mo.
have the quality and safety
Naka-save ka ko ni Magtawa.
by making sure that the product
Save for 27 pesos and 10 cents. Per 27 na kay 15 bit ang ibayan. Ano? Ano ang may pang-save? Sa kon ni, pag-ibig.
We also have pharmacists. It's
Ito
sales
ko,
and
ay doon ano din mo?
Akong pag
Minimum 200.
pharmaceutical products in line with all relevant regulations.
5% ra gud at least para sa city. Pamilya.
Normal despite the stable market, and they have the equal sales performance while maintaining innovative engagement. Despite the face-to-face limitations in reaching out to their customers. So they have to be flexible and stay and able to maximize digital platforms to reach their customers. And they also have shifted their marketing strategy to adapt to the changing market and landscape. And in order to ensure that the brand will remain relevant. And lastly, we have also pharmacists in the training department. So they are in charge of organizing and learning and development. They exercise acquisition of knowledge, skills, and abilities required for effective job performance. Learning never stops
Very
amidst the
unhelpful.
pandemic. So we have to make some advancements. While we know that in the manufacturing there is an increase in the demand of the product, and so training has been conducted on weekends
Pwede naman na.
and limited number of persons
Nag-bake bitaw ko. Nag-bake bitaw ko.
so that
Galing
we
ko na.
can still proceed with the operation. And in other departments, we do
Masadlok mo na.
and adapt to the digital transformation
Pwede naman guna.
so
Bubo.
that we can still continuously learn while
Parang
we
hindi ko
are
nagsagasol.
working from home.
Kailan sila mag-bake-bake ka na ka ng major.
Adapt
Mm.
the digital age.
Pero kung gawin ginagmay lang na baking, pwede naman gusto
The
yun
core responsibilities
ng 20
of
liters na
pharmacists
oven.
in the
Why not,
pharmaceutical
diba?
industry, pre, and post-pandemic never changed. Pharmacists are mandated to provide quality, safe, and
Ay,
effective
time ina, dyan di ka
at
gunahan.
all costs
Ano ko be?
across areas of
Nakapiano
practice.
lessons mo lagi ko. Bisag,
Despite
busy kay ko.
their fears of getting infected, it was during this time
Ganaan niya,
that
mukha ko.
pharmacists, all of us, are forced to
na-motivate ka nung bata.
smarter, better, and greater in order to adapt to the challenges of the pandemic and to continue
Basa tong Art of
carry
War, oh.
out our tasks in the new normal. Going through this pandemic is unprecedented. The world we live suddenly changed. The normal needs to be a better normal. And we need to become the best version of ourselves and be the best that we can be. So at this point, allow me to share with you some tips on how to become the best that we can be and thrive in this career path as we move forward. First is survey the terrain. You have to know who you are. Every person is unique. We have our own strengths, weaknesses. Knowing this can help us in making decisions
Mati,
that
kulit na mic
our
ay.
life.
Makdo.
Know your
multi-
target.
multi-
Choose your target, understand it, and plan out. Then, if it is a viable target, go for it. Don't stop unless you're sure where you will land.
Business,
And you
kapulan
know
mo
your
business.
fallback. You have to work smart.
Ato
You
reklamo,
have to
ato
set
reklamo.
goals, set plans, and focus on it. Next is know your surroundings. There are variables in every environment. You have to understand these things as it can affect your
Ay,
plan.
tissue, wala no.
Know who you work with, know your allies, your enemies, know your competition, know the rules of engagement. So in regulatory practice, you have to know your environment and you have to be constantly updated with the regulations that would start
Mag-isip dyan ang uban.
understanding.
Dili ba ito
And other
nakapao ng
regulatory
mga Lisat pa lang
and if
parang
you're
cellphone na nagamit.
marketing, you have to know your content.
Sabi nga na sa
In the
balance
new
card.
normal, you have to be observant.
Nana,
Another
order?
is to work on your skills.
technology ka ng
Have the right
Instagram,
enhance
Facebook, buy mo siya
skills
sa
are
balance.
developed and require
Personalized.
presentation that you would want. Skills development is the process of identifying skill gaps, developing and honing new skills.
Guard,
And
paborito
it is
ko.
important because your skills that are needed
Extend
to
na ba?
execute your plan,
Medyo libutan ng guard.
Bitaw ko ba di ba
you
na
can
kuan
develop
kay
your skills,
trabaho,
you can
ang
develop your
trabaho rin
activeness.
bantay.
Activeness is the ability to make good judgments and make decisions, typically in a particular job. Take grades in your goals and tasks. And in every decision that you
Thank
make,
you
you
sa
always have to think
patisyo.
of the best interest of the patient. Develop your timing skills.
Kaya kay mga plastic ko dine-in na ito ni order. Ano gitay ka sila? Oo ko ba?
When it's time. There is a person for everything.
Eh, dine-in na.
Wait for the perfect time.
Inato, takulong ko ang baso.
Most of the millennials now think the reason that they're in their current jobs is that
Pag-earn mo, suwat yun.
sometimes
Dine-in, before ka makakuan, makakuan kay
they
dine-in. Magpili kang dine-in or take out.
professional development opportunities.
Naratol ko itong babae.
But station
Tara na.
of their
Second
time
Nagkaon siya. Ato ikaw ano, nagkaon ka. Manam kong kaon.
Let me share to my story
Tanaw yung nasa kong chat.
about training the voice and one way
Di pa ka na?
I started my master's in history and I also took up some other courses to enhance
Flowers bloom in its season, trees bear fruit in its time. There's a season for everything. Do not rush, wait for the perfect timing. Patience is a virtue. Charing, no?
wait
Develop
for
your
the right
timing
timing,
skills.
and while waiting, develop yourself. Okay, develop your accuracy. One wrong move is fatal, especially in the practice part.
Nanggo siya
A
niya mo.
patient life and one error may cause a life complication for you. So we have to move deliberately.
Ano, ganito na sa amin siya eh.
Hello?